Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Minhajul Talibin, English version. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the most beneficial. Now we start to learn which one? Section 2, etiquette of defecation. Okay, you know etiquette mean, etiquette, and defecation mean in English qadil hajah. Defecation, it is originated from verb defecate. So if you, for example, want to do something into the toilet, you go to defecate. You want to defecate. So defecate, it is verb. Defecation is noun. So in Islam, as we all know, in Islam is taught to do everything for our daily life should be based on the teaching of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which was mentioned in the Quran and also in the Sunnah. And from those two primary sources, Quran and Sunnah, then some Muslim jurisprudence scholars or fuqaha take some conclusion about what should be done and what obligatory should be done and what is prohibited by the Sharia. So in other words, Sharia, the primary source of Sharia is Quran and Sunnah. But if you are not expert in usul fiqh or the methodology of Islamic jurisprudence, you cannot do yourself to take the law directly from Quran or Sunnah. You should consult to some Islamic jurisprudence book or Islamic law, book of Islamic law, to take the product of some fiqh scholars who have painstakingly taken the law from their observance of Quran and Sunnah. And here it is. There are, as mentioned before, there are 4 schools of thought which is recognized by all Ahlus Sunnah wal Jamaah or Sunni. The Sunni recognize 4 schools of thought or 4 madhahib. That is Hanafi madhab, Maliki madhab, Syafi'i madhab, and Hambali madhab. Now there is no differences, there is no principal differences between the 4 madhahibs, only some minor differences. Minor mean small or little differences among the 4 madhahibs. So if we learn Shafi'i madhab, like what we are learning now, actually it is very similar to the other three of madhahib. So now we learn about how to defecate, to go to toilet, to do natural thing. Now please read Fandi, and should be followed by others. Section 2.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate. Section 2. Etiquette of defecation. Toilet must be entered left foot first and quitted right foot first.
Please remember, if there is O, double O, usually it is read foot, not foot, right? So left foot first and quitted right foot first. Okay, continue.
No object upon which the name of God.
No, the stop should be no object upon which. So upon it is should be followed by which. So upon which it is like in Arabic mudhaf and mudhaf ilaih. Upon mudhaf, which mudhaf ilaih. Okay, repeat.
No object upon which the name of God is inscribed should be taken there. One should squat down, leaning rather on the left foot, and if possible avoid.
No, and if possible, stop there.
And if possible, avoid turning either face or back in the direction of Makkah. Either position being rigorously.
Please repeat. Either or either.
Either.
Okay.
Either position being rigorously forbidden on a desert.
So in here the translator use forbidden, rigorously, and forbidden only. Forbidden means yahruman, yahrumu, prohibited. It is like forbidden, prohibited. But if there is no word rigorously, It means like makruh in Arabic. So the translator using rigorously to emphasize that the thing which is forbidden, it is forbidden in terms of haram, not makruh. Okay, repeat. Either
position being rigorously forbidden on a desert plain where it is possible to choose any direction to relieve
please check direction or direction in British. Direction. Direction. It is in British. It is British, right? In British English, we use direction. But in American English, it should be read direct. So we use the British one, direction. Okay.
to choose any direction.
Yeah, not any. Repeat.
To choose any direction. To relieve one of nature. One should retire and conceal oneself.
Not conceal, conceal. Try Farhuddin.
Conceal.
Yeah, conceal, not conceal. It is very, very important for us to try to say precisely as English person say. For what? So that when we say something, they will understand us. And when they, the English speakers, say to us, we understand them. Because we have a similarity in terms of expressing and pronouncing. Okay, repeat.
And conceal oneself from the public view.
Okay, I think it is enough for now. So this is the etiquette, the best thing we should do, the ideal thing we should perform, we should do when we doing the one of nature, or qadil haja. So actually you know all that the ruling, this is named ruling, the ruling in this lesson tonight, you already know when you study about this in many Islamic books before. But what we try to do now is how we know it using English language, so that you can understand how English people express this language and how you can tell English people about this one. For example, if you go somewhere to Singapore, to Taiwan, Hong Kong, where most people speak English, you can tell them about Islamic creed, Islamic Sharia, using the language you study now. So now, Shafiq, please explain to us about what we just learned, about the lesson we learned tonight on the etiquette of defecation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful and the Compassionate. In this meeting,
So you should try to imagine that you explain this to some English speaking people. Imagine that you meet some person who just converted to Islam, English person, British people. You met with British tourists and he asks you what the ruling I should do when I want to go to toilet, what Islam want or rule to us. Just explain that. Okay, continue.
Islam regulated our daily from waking up into sleeping again. Among other, the etiquette of defecation, including entering with left foot and quitting right foot first, avoiding object with God's name, squatting on the left foot, maintaining privacy.
Okay. Now Fahrudin, tell us about the ruling on defecation. What we as a Muslim should do and should not do when we are in toilet.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Merciful, the Compassionate. So Islam is not only the moral religion. Islam is also rule our daily life, even when we want to go to the toilet. So how we defecate or urinate or go to the toilet properly based on Islam, there is several things to do if you want to go to the toilet. First, if we want to go to the toilet, we must use our left foot first. So if we want to go to the toilet, we must use our left foot first. And second, if we want to go to the toilet and during the defecation, we should not defecate in the public place. We should defecate in the proper place, like the toilet right now. And during the defecation and urination, we must to sit down or squat down, rely on our left foot, and we are forbidden to face the direction of Qiblat. So we are not allowed.
When we are forbidden to face the direction of Mecca,
When we are in the public place, we are
open
forbidden.
space.
Yes. And during the defecation and urination, we must to avoid several places like fruit trees and the stagnant water and the whole place is forbidden. And after defecation and urination, when we exit from the toilet, we must to use our right foot. So if we want to exit from the toilet, we use the right foot, and when enter the toilet, we use.
Okay, it's enough for now. Wallahu a'lam. Peace. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.